Priyanka, we are live.
Hi everyone, namaste and welcome to the ICANN Conversations. Now let me start out by saying a little bit about ICANN because it's a very cool initiative. ICANN, that's the India Co-Win Action Network, is a platform which connects help seekers and help givers. It's an initiative to help underprivileged communities, and they're doing a lot of great work for COVID-19 through the use of technology. Now, ICANN is a unique movement to combat the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic, through an online platform that connects those who are in need of help and those who can provide it. Our Co-Win warriors are doing multiple things, including working from home, activating their on-ground community networks, and mobilizing resource providers in order to connect the two and ensure that vulnerable and weaker sections of society can also sustain themselves through these difficult times. Now, our Co-Win warriors are spread across different states of India and are steadily growing day by day, and the numbers are really, really impressive. We have over 3,000 Co-Win warriors spread across 25 different states of India, and we've helped more than 35,000 people in the last 2 weeks. This is an awesome initiative because it's the spread of information, credible information with the use of experts. We have a very interesting topic today, and we have a very special guest. The topic today is Mental Health Matters Lockdown 2.0. So as you guys all know, the lockdown has been extended. We are in the second half of the lockdown. It was a 19-day extension. We're already a few days in. As you know, lockdown, you may have experienced it yourself, that it takes a toll on you physically as well as emotionally. So today we have a very, very special guest. I'd like to introduce Dr. Rajesh Sagar, who is a member of the Central Mental Health Authority, or the CMHA, for the Government of India. He's also a professor of psychiatry at AIIMS, and he's going to talk a little bit about this topic, Mental Health Matters Lockdown 2.0. Dr. Sagar, welcome to the show. I think he's trying to log in at this moment. All right, so I think he's trying to log in. I think we're going to play a little song before we start. Okay, this just in. We're not playing a song. We're going to play a small video of ICANN. All right, I think Dr. Sagar, have you joined in? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, good afternoon to you.
Namaste, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, Priyanka, yeah, great.
Yes, this is we're so happy that you can be here. Give us your time. First of all, I'd just like to, before we get into the topic and before we get into talking a little bit about content, this is a very important topic, which is mental health matters during lockdown 2.0. Why don't you tell the audience a little bit about yourself? You're as I said, I just gave your credentials, but if you could tell us a little bit about the work that you've done.
Okay, I am Rajesh Sagar. I am a professor of psychiatry at the All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. And my predominant job is I do a clinical work in my outpatient as well as inpatient. And I am involved with teaching and training along with research. I am also keenly interested in research. Beside this, I am also involved with policy issues, some of the policy related matter for the nationwide. I am also part of other activities as with regard to some of the member of the key committees with regard to children, adolescents, and a number of other activities. So that's my job. What I do.
Awesome. So अभी ये टॉपिक है कि mental health matters lockdown 2.0.
Yeah.
I just explained before you logged in, a few moments before you logged in. मैं explain कर रही थी कि lockdown is very tolling, both physically as well as mentally, as well as I would say, I would add emotionally as well. Now you work with children, adolescents, as well as adults. Everybody in the country, no matter what your age is right now, is undergoing the lockdown. There are multiple things online जो WhatsApp पे आते हैं या फिर online social media पे आते हैं that tell you, you know, emotional well-being is important. You should do this. But can you perhaps, you know, a lot of that news ends up being fake. It ends up being misinformation, especially on what to do. Can you talk a little bit about just some of the challenges that people face in terms of mental health? Because we are in the second half of our lockdown. And at this point, we don't know whether extension ho sakta hai ya it will end on May 3rd. Nobody knows. So what are some of the challenges that perhaps you have observed that people are facing? Common challenges.
No, that's a good point, Priyanka. I think what we need to understand that I'm glad that you are discussing the mental health issues, which are so important, because when we talk of health, mental health component is a key integral part of health, because our main focus is on physical health only, but we know that mental health, which is rather ignored and neglected when we talk of our health as a whole. So mental health is a key component. Now, and this is the epidemic what we are going through, pandemic as declared by WHO, and so a lot of people are going through the fear, anxiety, frustration, even loneliness, and some depression and the boredom because of the situation what we are in, and feeling of uncertainty. We are not sure what will happen next, what will whether I will be able to go to my office, what I will do, what will happen to my children who are maybe staying together or maybe staying somewhere else, or their near ones. Feeling of insecurity is there, uncertainty is there, so unpredictableness is there. So there are a lot of things are going on, and on top of it, we are having a lot of news which are being bombarded in a very negative way, what is happening around the world. So I think it does affect one mind, the way we think. It is does have effect and toll. And so it's important to discuss the mental health issues, and we need to talk about it, and we need to discuss that. And not only this, and some of the recent literature or say research which has come up uh, uh, with this, as well as the previous one's epidemic which has happened, and consistently it has been found that high percentage of people, they do have a mental health issues, like anxiety, depression, panic attacks, phobia, even sleep problem, and being withdrawn. So there is evidence for that, and there is some available what the literature what we have. So but the thing is that if we can follow certain methods, certain strategies, certain tips, we can overcome that. So the point is that our job in this discussion should not be to just highlight the problem challenges, but rather we should talk about what are the solutions for that. I think that is very important, and we need to talk about it.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that. But just you know, one of the reason why I asked you to lay out the challenges first is a lot of these go unnoticed. You know, something like boredom. People don't realize कि ये mental health issue actually हो सकता है, or lack of sleep. People don't realize कि this can take a serious toll on your mental health. So
Absolutely. I will just try to tell you that when we talk, in terms of when we talk in terms of psychiatry or some mental health, uh, one extreme is what we call as a mental disorders, or which are, that's one extreme. But that is the tip of the iceberg. Now there are many things which are the problems are there, which does not amount to disorder, like boredom, frustration, anxiety, which is
Right.
not amounting to that, disorder, going through that threshold. But these are some of the common problems which can happen. So
Right.
we need to address that. We need to, because so that they do not fall in the category of disorder or more severe dysfunction.
Correct. Now, going on with, before we get to solutions and maybe tips and tricks that you would recommend to kind of tackle these mental, I wouldn't say mental health issues, but mental health challenges that people can face.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about maybe rural areas as well as metro areas, because hard fact is, sir, that it is a very different scenario. Now, me undergoing a lockdown is very different than a farmer undergoing a lockdown. Correct? There's a different set of challenges altogether because the lifestyle in itself is different between a tier 1, tier 2 person and a rural person, a citizen, I should say. So, what are some issues that maybe face and they start tackling it? And I think that whoever's watching from those areas are more comfortable in Hindi. So, sir, if you can address it in English or in Hindi, that would be great.
Okay, in the both language. Okay, wonderful. I love to talk to Hindi. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So there was a gap in between. Just tell me that what the question you asked, because it was
Yeah,
you were
the
not
question
audible
is
in
that,
time. Yeah.
yes, sure. The question is that people in rural areas, citizens in rural areas and in urban areas face a different set of challenges in terms of mental health. So rural areas में कौन से challenges है जो common है, and what are some ways, it's a loaded question, and what are some ways that they can be overcome?
Okay, that's a good point. Actually, हमारा जो फोकस है वो काफी हद तक जैसे जब इवन नेशन वाइड फिगर्स आ रही हैं, that is more focused on the metro cities, the number of patients who are increasing and so on. And of course, the rural areas में भी इसका concern in the sense we need to be aware, ये important है, because ऐसा नहीं है कि रूरल एरिया में इसका रिस्क नहीं है. द रिस्क इज देयर, and so we need to be careful. So one of the important as such the solution will be जो मेथड बताए जा रहे हैं for precautions, because what we need to understand कि prevention is best thing, how we can prevent that. So जो like say for example जो चीजें बताई जा रही हैं कि बार बार आपको हाथ धोना है, फेस पे हाथ नहीं रखना है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन रखना है. सो और आपको खांसते हुए यू हैव टू कवर योरसेल्फ. सो वो जो सारी जो चीजें हैं जो बार बार इवन हमारी गवर्नमेंट और सारी हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बता रही हैं, सो दैट होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर एवरीवन दोज हु आर आल्सो इन अ रूरल एरिया.
जी,
ये बात सही है कि वहाँ पे क्योंकि इतना डेंसिटी नहीं होता तो इतने केस पेशेंट्स वहाँ पे नहीं आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज फॉर रीजन. बट वहाँ पे चैलेंजेस दूसरे किस्म के ज़्यादा हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कि आपको डे टू डे का सामान आपको लेना है, तो वन हैज टू ट्रैवल टू सम डिस्टेंस टू गेट इट. इतने जल्दी विसिनिटी में नहीं होते हैं. सो लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल एक सिटी में शॉप इज नियर बाई, हॉस्पिटल इज जस्ट नियर बाई, आप जा सकते हैं, मिल सकते हैं. बट एक रूरल एरिया में हो सकता है कि वो चैलेंजेस जो डे टू डे के हैं वो ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. और बट इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि जो आपको बताया गया है प्रिवेंशन, प्रिकॉशन, सेफ्टी, वो हम जो भी जहाँ पे भी है, चाहे वो मेट्रो में है या सिटीज में है, टाउन में है, इवन रूरल एरिया में है, विलेजेस में, दे ऑल हैव टू फॉलो दैट. उन सबको फॉलो करना है. खासकर जो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हम ये सोचते हैं कि एक अगर कोई व्यक्ति गांव में रह रहा है तो वहाँ पे ये इतना मायने नहीं रखेगा, बट वहाँ पे भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई थिंक ये बहुत, क्योंकि ये मानना बहुत जरूरी है, किसी एक व्यक्ति को भी हो गया तो he can potentially risk for other people around also. So ये मानना बहुत जरूरी है. इवन रूरल एरिया में भी अगर एक व्यक्ति जो है वो भी बाकियों को अफेक्ट कर सकता है, तो इसलिए सारे प्रोसेस फॉलो करने चाहिए.
जी. This is very important because it's important to understand the only way that COVID-19 can be tackled if we follow the best practices. Or ye best practices have been stagnant the entire time. This is the most common thing. Now let's tackle some of the mental health issues. Okay, rural areas में it happens that शायद mental health expert ना हो उधर, या फिर there is no psychiatrist, or there may be a hospital but the doctors may not come frequently. So अगर rural area में people are experiencing things like anxiety, if they think that they are experiencing depression, if they think that they are experiencing lack of sleep, वो क्या कर सकते हैं? Tactics, are there any tactics that they can either self-diagnose themselves? Can they help themselves in any way? Symptoms क्या होते हैं that they can recognize that ये mental health issue हो सकता है and we need further help? What can they do?
बहुत important point है प्रियंका. I think we can talk about this more in detail. देखिए, सबसे important चीज है कि सेल्फ हेल्प स्ट्रेटजीज की पहले ये मानना कि जैसे हम अपनी बॉडी का ध्यान रखते हैं, शरीर का ध्यान रखते हैं, अगर कहीं हमें चोट लग जाती है तो हम तुरंत कहते हैं कि हमें पट्टी करनी है या उसका इन्फेक्शन ना हो जाए, उसका ध्यान देते हैं. उसी तरह से हमारे मन को भी हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए, खासकर ऐसे वक्त में जहाँ पे इस तरह का एपिडेमिक और इस तरह का भय का माहौल है. तो उसमें बहुत जरूरी है कि हम अपना सेल्फ हेल्प, अपने मन की कैसे हम अपनी रक्षा कर सकते हैं और कैसे.
Sir, I'm so sorry to disappoint you. I think sound का थोड़ा problem हो रहा है. I think audience members are asking, do you have a fan on or an AC on or something?
AC anyway is not there. Fan is. Should I? Okay.
I think थोड़ा sound का disturbance है. एक minute, let me see on my end whether
yeah.
it's okay.
सुनना.
Okay, I will open it up to the audience.
मैं अपना फैन बंद कर रहा हूँ. Just a minute.
Okay. Sorry guys, my fan was on. I think doctor's fan was on as well.
I hope it's okay because मेरा भी fan yeah. So was it disturbing? Because definitely आपके side
तो ambient noise audio
से तो disturbance आ रहा था. Yeah. So is that better now? Yeah.
Please continue.
Yeah. Okay. So देखिए, जो हम बता रहे थे कि सेल्फ हेल्प मेथड्स कि हमें जैसे हम अपने शरीर का ध्यान रखते हैं, बॉडी में कोई चोट लग जाती है तो हम उसका इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, तो उसी तरह से हमें अपने मन का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए और उसको निगलेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए और उसके बारे में भी जानकारी होना बहुत जरूरी है. और आई थिंक कि इस तरह की जो चर्चा हम कर रहे हैं और इसीलिए ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा कि जो मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज जो हैं वो थोड़े से निगलेक्टेड होते हैं, जब हम ज्यादा उसको परवाह नहीं करते हैं. हमें लगता है ये तो हो जाएगा ठीक, तो वी आर नॉट दैट सीरियस अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज. ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज दैट हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. कुछ चीजें जो हैं अपने आप ही हम कर सकते हैं. हमें कहीं पे डॉक्टर पे तुरंत जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. और उसको समझने के लिए देखिए, हम ये कहते हैं, जो WHO भी कहता है कि कोई भी एपिडेमिक या डिजास्टर को हैंडल करने के पिरामिड होता है. एक पिरामिड में अगर हम समझें, क्योंकि मेरे पास वो फिगर नहीं है, बट मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ कि जो सबसे नीचे जो बेस होता है, व्हाट इट मींस इज वी हैव टू एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज सोशल कंसिडरेशन एंड द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ पीपल. तो दैट्स अ बेस. सबसे लोअर मोस्ट में जो पिरामिड का जो है, तो जो कि हम जिसकी जो दायरा है बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड दैट वे उसके ऊपर हम आते हैं. तो दैट इज अ मोर ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक कंसिडरेशन. से फॉर एग्जांपल सोशल नेटवर्किंग और स्ट्रेंथनिंग द कम्युनिटी एज सच, स्ट्रेंथनिंग द फैमिली. दैट्स अ सेकंड लेवल व्हिच इज देयर. थर्ड लेवल जो आता है थोड़ा और ऊपर, वो स्पेसिफिक फोकस थेरेपी आ गया, जहाँ पे आप ट्रेन करते हैं जो व्यक्ति जो है हाई रिस्क में है, जिनको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, उनको आप एड्रेस करें. और जो टॉप पे है, जो कि बहुत कम है, दैट्स अ क्लिनिकल सर्विस, जो कि रेफर्ड होता है हॉस्पिटल के लिए. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि कोई भी जो जिनको क्लिनिकल सर्विस की जरूरत है या एक साइकियाट्रिस्ट की जरूरत है, वो बहुत टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग है. और
जी,
जो ज्यादातर जो लोग हैं 90% आई वुड से या 80% आई वुड से कैन बी मैनेज एट द कम्युनिटी लेवल इटसेल्फ। ओनली 10 से 20% ही आपको जरूरत होगी। तो कहने का मतलब है हम अपने कुछ ऐसे कम्युनिटी में या फैमिली में बदलाव करें और ऐसे उसको स्ट्रेंथन करें उसके रिसोर्सेज को, तो काफी हद तक इसकी जो प्रॉब्लम है हम उसी लेवल पे हैंडल कर सकते हैं। हमें कहीं और कंसल्ट करने की या साइकियाट्रिस्ट से जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। अच्छा,
ओके,
अब मेथड्स हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे सिंपल जो है, एक जो हम हमेशा कहते हैं जो बहुत जरूरी है जिसको अक्सर हम भूल जाते हैं, जो है कि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, पॉजिटिव सोच।
ओके,
और मुश्किल वक्त में भी अगर हम ये सोचें कि मैं इस चीज को पार करके चला जाऊंगा, तो उसकी अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस है। और मैं जरूर क्योंकि हम चूंकि ये जो वक्त है स्ट्रेस की बात कर रहे हैं, तनाव की बात कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस और में हमें लगता है कि हमारा नुकसान होता है। और ये बात सही है कि स्ट्रेस से हमारे बॉडी पे दुष्प्रभाव होता है,
जी,
नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट, ऑल ओवर द रिसर्च।
यस,
बट इसमें कैच है, इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है, स्ट्रेस में और ये रिसर्च में पाया गया है कि जो स्ट्रेस में नुकसान उनका होता है जो ये सोचते हैं कि मेरा नुकसान होगा उससे। तो जस्ट इमेजिन, अगर मैं सोचता हूं कि ये जो स्थिति है तनाव की, मेरा इससे नुकसान होगा, तो वो लोग ज्यादा अफेक्टेड होते हैं। अगर कोई व्यक्ति ये सोचे स्ट्रेस है, मैं इसको आराम से निकल जाऊंगा, मैं इससे लड़ सकता हूं, तो उनको उसका नुकसान नहीं होता है। तो इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि हमारी जो सोच है हमें उसको पॉजिटिव रखना है। हमें उसको है कि ये वक्त है। और ये भी मान के चलिए कि जैसे हम कहते हैं कोई भी व्यक्ति एक साइन वेव की तरह, कहने का मतलब कोई भी चीज ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं रहेगी, ये भी थोड़े वक्त का है, टेम्पररी फेज है, दिस विल गो अवे, ये वक्त के साथ निकल जाएगा। तो ये भी अपने मन में सोच में रखना है। एक तो ये है पॉजिटिव सोच, और दूसरा कि ये वक्त जो है टेम्पररी है और ये निकल जाएगा। दूसरा ये है कि अपने जो दिनचर्या है उसको अपना मेंटेन रखें आप। अगर एंजाइटी भी है तो उसमें जो आपका रूटीन है, कोशिश करें जैसे आपका जो रूटीन बना हुआ है, चाहे आप लॉकडाउन में है, क्वारंटाइन में है, तो अपना एक रूटीन जो आप करते थे उसको आप करते रहिएगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप सुबह अपना नहाना, रूटीन एक्टिविटीज, वो सब जारी रखिए। आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ एंजाइटी एंड अदर
राइट,
प्रॉब्लम। फिर आता है आपका जो है कनेक्टेडनेस विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड, क्योंकि आइसोलेशन का मतलब ये नहीं है या क्वारंटाइन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपने दोस्तों से आप मिल नहीं सकते, बट आप बात कर सकते हैं। यू कैन बी कनेक्टेड थ्रू टेलीफोन, थ्रू सोशल मीडिया, थ्रू अदर मेथड्स। और देखिए इतना बड़ा जरिया है, टेक्नोलॉजी की इतनी हेल्प ले सकते हैं। देखिए अभी ये डिस्कशन भी टेक्नोलॉजी के बेस पे ही हो रहा है। वी कैन कनेक्ट टू मेनी पीपल, सो वन नीड्स टू बी गेट कनेक्टेड to the family and friends and
जी,
everyone। फिर आती है कि कुछ सिंपल रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक, अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा एंजाइटी होती है तो कुछ सिंपल रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक्स होती हैं, ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स होती हैं, वो कर सकते हैं। मेडिटेशन है डिफरेंट टाइप
यस,
की, वो कर सकते हैं। सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं। फिजिकल एक्टिविटी का बहुत बड़ा रोल है। रिलैक्स्ड बॉडी मीन्स रिलैक्स्ड माइंड। अपने आप को जितने बॉडी को आप रिलैक्स रखेंगे, माइंड भी उतना रिलैक्स होगा। तो सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेज कैन बी डन इजीली, घर में रहकर भी आप कर सकते हैं। और ये जो मेल एडेप्टिव मेथड है इससे दूर रहें। से फॉर एग्जांपल स्मोकिंग, अल्कोहल। अक्सर लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं ये सब लेने से मैं इसको एंजाइटी से पार कर लूंगा, जो कि ये फिर ये गलत आदत बन सकती है। और जितनी भी नेगेटिव न्यूज़ है मीडिया में जो आती है, इसको देखें कि इतना ज़्यादा उसको ना सुने, और जो फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन है वही लें। और अपने आप को रिलैक्स करने के लिए आप जो है अलग म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं, आप टीवी देख सकते हैं, फिल्म देख सकते हैं। आप अपनी हॉबीज जो है, जो आपने सालों में वक्त नहीं मिला है, वो नहीं किया है, वो कर सकते हैं। से फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत लोगों ने मान लीजिए पेंटिंग पहले करते थे, अब छोड़ा हुआ है बहुत सारे, सो दे कैन डू दैट, दे कैन रीलिव। एंड रादर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि आज के दौर में यू कैन रीडिस्कवर योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि ये जो
या,
वक्त है, इसको कंस्ट्रक्टिवली पॉजिटिवली यूज करें। तो यू कैन, और इवन एनीवन कैन इंटरेक्ट विद द फैमिली, जो आपने इतने सालों में नहीं किया, बातचीत नहीं की, इतना वक्त आप साथ में नहीं बताया, तो अपने बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं उनको। यू कैन राइट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, जिसको हम जनरल राइटिंग कहते हैं, अपने बारे में आप लिख सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, क्योंकि ये खाली वक्त ये अपना मन की सोच है, आप इसको कैसे कंस्ट्रक्टिवली यूज करना है वो कर सकते हैं। और ये सब करने से आपकी एंजाइटी भी दूर होगी, आपको एक बोर्डम भी आपका दूर होगा, क्योंकि
Yeah.
ये सब सोच का खेल है। मतलब हाउ यू थिंक, इफ यू थिंक दैट यू आर doing something constructively, so आपकी
All in the
can
mind.
also go away over a period of time.
Ji. And that's very important ki, having a routine despite being in a lockdown, whether you are working or whether you are not working. Abhi, those that are working from home, in that sense, already somewhat have a routine that they wake up, they at least have something to do. So your mind gets channeled in whatever you have to do for the day. But
Yeah.
there are also some, sir, you were saying a little bit about misinformation. So I wanted to address that. बहुत सारा information है net पे, social media पे. Now being at home, at least I can speak for myself कि social media is constantly on. My Twitter, even if I'm not looking at it, there's so much news that comes on Twitter, on any app, even Instagram पे आ रहा है. It is very difficult to decipher what is correct and what is not correct. Now there are, in terms of mental health, let's specifically talk about that. बहुत सारे infographics है. They are saying that there are multiple studies being done. Simple tactics like I was reading one which I thought was fun, and I started implementing it. That when you're at home, it's very easy to be in your pajamas or in your sweatpants, or just you don't have to dress up, you don't have to look nice. For women, at least, I put makeup on every day. You don't have to do that because where are you going anyway? But this study was saying that if you actually follow your routine, as you were saying, sir, if you wake up in the morning, do your exercises, go for your bath or your shower, get ready. They were saying simple tactics like changing your shirt, wearing what you would normally wear if you were going out to your office. Or if you're going out to meet your friends or whatever, dress up. Even if you're talking to your friends, जैसे आपने कहा कि emotional distancing ना हो, be in touch with everyone online, right? But wear what you would wear if you were going out, in terms of if you are meeting somebody for a coffee, or meeting your mom, or meeting your friend for a coffee. They are saying that these simple tactics also boost your mental health. It makes you think, as you said, more positively about the day. Is this true? Can you confirm this?
No, no, I will agree with that because I have not seen that study. But मैं आपकी बात से सहमत हूँ। देखिए, जो हम करते हैं जो रूटीन में, ये बात सही है कि कि अगर हम घर पे हैं तो why we need to dress, why we need to take a bath, because no one is looking at us, मतलब ये बात सही है. But thing is that if we continue with the routine, that will make you feel that you are doing something, you are and also all these activity will make you feel that you are still you are able to do something. Of course, this is also physical activity, since we are saying that you have to continue with your physical activity. There are many other things which also can be done to have this physical activity. तो अपना जो रूटीन है, आप तैयार होते हैं या नॉर्मली आप जो करते हैं, just do that. There is because again, because ये क्योंकि हम ये मानते हैं, आई विल टेल यू एज अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, वी ऑलवेज से खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. आई डोंट नो वेदर ये, तो जितना आप खाली रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपको नुकसान है, बिकॉज देन यू विल ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट नेगेटिवली. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस खाली दिमाग, बिकॉज क्या हो रहा है कि जो मीडिया में इतना बम्बार्डमेंट हो रहा है, इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हो रही है, तो जब आप खाली होंगे तो उसी के बारे में आप सोचते रहेंगे, वही आपके ख्याल आता रहेगा. So to break that cycle, I think it's important that you be just occupied with something. I will go a step ahead. I will say कि एक टाइम टेबल आप बनाइए, इतने बजे आप उठिए, इतने बजे. So just follow your routine and structure, because that will not only make you feel, because if you are, let's say, you can be the model for other people in the family. अगर आप father हैं या mother हैं, अगर आप वो करते हैं तो others will follow you, because you can be a good role model, and then only you can tell others also. So that's important, that you to follow the same routine what we have been doing, and that will and boost you, that will in a way make you feel better, feel good factor आपको लगेगा. और जहाँ तक आपने सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की बात की, बिकॉज this is a misconception. I will tell you this. The term what we are using, what we are saying, at least what we personally I feel it's a more of physical distancing. Socially, we can be connected. We can be we can talk to people. We can make a phone call. So in a way, it's not social. It's only physical distancing. Emotionally, you can still be attached. You can be still be you can be together. You are not distant in that way. So that's a misconception of this social distancing. The important thing is that you just have to see that how you can make yourself busy, routine your structure, and be connected with people, because connectedness is so crucial and important, because that will make you feel the confidence will come, the frustration will not be there, because if you are connected with people. I have seen many people, what they are doing, they are celebrating the birthday on the online. That's a good thing. You can do that. Why not? Maybe some of our friends, they have made a video film of together, at home they have made, and they have combined it just to give a feeling of positivity. I think one can do, being connected to people, you can still do the activities, and that will make you feel
तो
much.
डॉक्टर, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, लेकिन एक इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल है, जस्ट टू डीप डाइव इनटू दिस अ लिटिल फर्दर, कि young people, especially youth, right, and even in terms of senior citizens, now ये I think most people are doing a fairly good job of connecting with each other, Skype पे या WhatsApp पे या video call पे or phone, and they're doing a good job even though it's a challenge. लेकिन if you are living alone, ये self isolation, especially for those who are in quarantine or who are self isolating by choice also, even if a lot of people are doing that, ये बहुत lonely हो सकता है, despite having access to your phone or doing these video calls. बहुत frustrating, this frustration as well.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, because we have talked about it in some other context. Like loneliness, of course, is very important. I can tell you one thing about loneliness.
जी,
Person may be alone but may not be lonely in that.
जी,
And person can also be lonely when he's in a group or in a mix of people. So
बिल्कुल,
loneliness is a state of mind. You can be lonely when even when you are in a group, or when you are so it's a state of mind. It's a feeling of distress, where it can happen to anyone, and especially nowadays with this isolation, quarantine, this is happening now.
जी,
First, one has to understand that this quarantine and isolation and this lockdown is necessary. I think that's very important. And
जी,
since you talked about children and young people, and we need to make them understand this. I think
जी,
sometime we need to spend time with them, that why this is necessary, because children are in a way restless in that, because they don't want to sit at one place. They want
जी,
to meet people, they want to talk to friends. Of course they can talk to friends, there is no but going out and meeting people is not allowed. So they are feeling much more restrained, and they are getting a lot of frustration as compared to adult, because they are not used to being situation. Of course there are studies are also affected, so that's a different thing. So in that way, it's a job of the family member, parent, that how they have to explain the young ones that the necessary, the need for this, why we are in this lockdown state, and what and the same principle holds true for children and young people also, that to make them routine, interact with them, connect with them, play
जी,
indoor games with them. And also I will tell you one thing. Sometime as an adult, we don't ask children to help in a household work and all. Some they do love it, because since we don't ask them, so they can be involved with all these activities. And that's important, and just make them feel important. I think that's important
जी,
thing. Make them feel special during this particular time, because they are bound to have much more problems. So it's the responsibility of a parent and the elders in the family to take care of them.
जी, ये एक ऑडियंस मेंबर से क्वेश्चन आ गया है, रियली इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, रियली इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, आई वुड से. आई एम 62 years old, so maybe on behalf, you can, sir, you can speak on
Yeah,
behalf of all senior citizens or
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm 62 years old, incurred losses in previous businesses. Want to do it again, but obviously with this COVID-19 pandemic, lack of funds because of everyone has taken a hard hit in that sense, especially business owners, MSMEs, things like that. I feel very frustrated. How do I cope with this, especially during the time of the lockdown?
That's a very important question because one of the important vulnerable group is, elderly, our senior citizens. I think, though I will not call him as a senior citizen, 62 only, so he's not. So, but what I can understand that there is a feeling of frustration. This, period, difficult period is going on. So, I just want to tell just few things about elderly population. I think. Lot of talk has been there. They are the vulnerable, they are at risk, and they are the one who are facing complications much more than younger. So anyway, that is giving them, kind of a negativity in the sense that so much media, so much, things are happening around. So definitely, what is one thing which is important is that they need to be given extra care and attention. There is no doubt about it. I think they are the one which are vulnerable group, and they are the one who have immunity, lesser immunity as compared to adult, multiple medical problems. So they need to take care of that. We need to even it's a responsibility of family member to take care of them, in the sense that one, that we follow all the social distance norm much more rigorously, because at any cost we do not want that they should be affected, number one. Number two, I think again we need to see that how they can be involved. How they can be in a way. We need to engage them so that they don't do not feel frustrated. तो उनके साथ भी हमें वैसे ही इन्वॉल्व करना है जैसे हम बाकी लोगों को कर रहे हैं। और ये चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि अगर मान लीजिए उनको बाकी बीमारी भी है, ब्लड प्रेशर है या शुगर की है, तो वो भी रेगुलर चेक करते रहे, नंबर वन। मेडिसिन रेगुलरली लेते रहें, उसकी जो है वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसको भी ना छोड़ें। और अगर बिकॉज देर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर स्टेइंग अलोन, एल्डरली, तो उनका अलग से ध्यान रखना है, चाहे वो उनके नेबर के थ्रू या रेजिडेंट वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन के थ्रू, किसी के थ्रू, मतलब उनको जो है उनका विशेष रूप से ध्यान रखना है। और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि एल्डरली पॉपुलेशन का अगर मान लीजिए कोई इमरजेंसी हो जाती है या कुछ है, तो कहाँ पे जाएंगे, द नंबर, फोन नंबर, व्हाट दे विल डू। लेट्स से the one thing is that so much focus is on COVID related thing, but there can be something on the non COVID also. We need to, let's say for example elderly है, अगर fall हो गया, मतलब he is so anxious, he is so worried, so there is chances that he may fall also. So तुरंत इमरजेंसी में हॉस्पिटल ले जाना है उसको। तो मेरा मैसेज है कि ये भी है सबके लिए। आई थिंक वी आर फोकसिंग टू मच ऑन कोविड रिलेटेड थिंग। सो हेल्थ इश्यूज जो है नॉन कोविड की भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वी नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट, we need to be seriously think about that if there is any issues how we need to take care of. तो एल्डरली पॉपुलेशन का हमें विशेष ध्यान रखना है, खासकर उनके इलनेस को लेकर, उनकी इमरजेंसी को लेकर, मेडिसिन को लेकर, उनके डेली जरूरतों को लेकर। देखिए अडल्ट है वो तो कहीं जाकर बाजार से सामान ले आएगा, लेकिन उनकी जरूरत जो है हो सकता है वो नहीं जा पाए, तो उनका ध्यान रखना है। जो बेड रिडन है उनका भी ध्यान रखना है, जो अकेले हैं, जो नर्स हैं, जो ध्यान रखने हैं। सो उनके लिए हम ये कह सकते हैं कि और कि दे नीड एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन एंड केयर, एंड इट्स द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द अदर फैमिली मेंबर। जहाँ तक ये जो क्वेश्चन था फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आई थिंक जो टिप्स बताई हैं एंजाइटी से रिलेटेड, सिंपल एक्सरसाइज, योगा, मेडिटेशन, एंड एंड वन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कोई भी पीरियड जो नेगेटिव भी पीरियड होता है या खराब वक्त होता है, वो ज्यादा समय नहीं चलता है। वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इट, दिस विल आल्सो गो अवे, इट्स लाइक अ बबल, इट विल आल्सो गो अवे, इट विल, सो वन हैज टू थिंक पॉजिटिवली। और एक शब्द हम इस्तेमाल, सेल्फ एफिकेसी का मतलब ये है कि हम बिलीव करें कि हम इससे बाहर आ जाएंगे। वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट पॉजिटिवली। कि जैसे जो सवाल पूछा कि मुझे एंजाइटी है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, बिजनेस लॉस हुआ है, there are many who have suffered the business loss, that's a whole issue
India, all over the world,
all over the world. वो अकेले नहीं है आप, you are not only one in the boat, there are many like you, but think positively, कि आपने क्या अच्छा किया, क्या आप अच्छा कर सकते हैं, उस सोच को पॉजिटिव आप रखिए। सो आई थिंक यू विल गेट ओवर दिस फेज। देखिए हमारे आसपास बहुत अच्छी चीजें हैं, यू जस्ट हैव टू रेज योर हैंड एंड पीपल आर देयर टू हेल्प यू। आई थिंक ऑलवेज आई बिलीव इन दैट, जस्ट हैव टू रेज योर हैंड and people will help you. There are people around you
That
to
is
help
true.
you in that way.
Yeah.
एक और चीज प्रियंका, आपने एक सवाल
Yeah.
पहले किया था कि बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही हैं, बहुत सारी
जी.
लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि ये बात बिल्कुल सही है आपकी, बिकॉज बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन है, कुछ सही है कुछ सही नहीं है। तो मैं ये कहूंगा हेल्थ रिलेटेड अगर कुछ जानकारी है तो दे शुड ओनली गो थ्रू द ऑफिशियल गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर या WHO की वेबसाइट, या कोई हॉस्पिटल, जैसे मैं एम्स में हूँ, हमारे एम्स की वेबसाइट, या जो भी बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल हैं उनकी वेबसाइट जो ऑथेंटिकेटेड हैं, या जो उन्हीं को फॉलो करें। बाकी चीजों को जो है, दे शुड ओनली फॉलो द ऑथेंटिकेटेड एंड अप्रूव्ड वेबसाइट रादर देन अदर सोर्सेज। आई थिंक डोंट गो बाय हियर से, डोंट गो बाय ऑल द थिंग्स व्हाट आर हैपनिंग अराउंड, just follow that. I think जो authenticated website है उन्हीं
और
को
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, एज यू सेड सर, दे आर गिविंग अभी डेली अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल
what is being done, tips. Ministry of Ayush also, I think PM Modi had said that in his last address to the nation. Ministry of Ayush has even given Ayurvedic tips
yeah
to boost your immunity. So
बिल्कुल
there's plenty of good, credible
yeah
information.
yeah
और अगर if you health, there are several other ministries as well,
yeah
governmental bodies that have phone numbers as well, email addresses, we have phone numbers here. The response times are very quick as well. So it's really important that even, and if you have a question, it's better to ask it to a credible source. Why would you ask it to
true.
a questionable source?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और मैं ये बात और कहूंगा प्रियंका, थ्रू दिस मीडियम, कि वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन अगेन आई एम से द कोविड रिलेटेड इश्यूज, बट देयर आर मेनी पेशेंट हु हैव प्री एग्जिस्टिंग साइकियाट्रिक इलनेस, बिकॉज आई एम अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, आई कैन टॉक अबाउट इट। सो
जी,
जिनको ऑलरेडी पहले से प्रॉब्लम है, तो
जी,
आई वुड एडवाइज देम टू प्लीज कंटिन्यू देयर मेडिसिन एंड दे शुड बी इन टच विद द डॉक्टर। और भारत सरकार ने 25 मार्च को टेलीमेडिसिन की गाइडलाइंस निकाल दी हैं। तो आप टेलीफोन पे भी अपना डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर के साथ, या
yes.
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जो है एंटरटेन किया जाएगा। सो प्लीज फॉलो द एडवाइस। और हॉस्पिटल्स, इमरजेंसी है तो हॉस्पिटल में आप जा सकते हैं, और कुछ जगह के हॉस्पिटल के नंबर हैं, तो आप अगर कोई भी इमरजेंसी प्रॉब्लम है तो आई थिंक रिलेटेड टू साइकियाट्री दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट पीपल अराउंड। तो आई थिंक टेलीफोन पे उनके साथ डिस्कशन हो सकता है। तो यही हम मैसेज देना चाहते हैं। देर ऑल अवेलेबल इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ वेबसाइट ऑल्सो, उसमें भी दिया हुआ
Great.
है नंबर, बाकी मेजर हॉस्पिटल के भी दिए हुए हैं। सो दे शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट दिस सिचुएशन। उनको डर है कि सब अस्पताल बंद हैं, कहीं पे कोई नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। So they will be taken care of adequately whenever there is a problem, and they should consult for that telemedicine consultation also.
Thank you, doctor, for giving that information out, because you're absolutely right. बहुत सारा confusion है, that is creating a lot of panic.
Yeah.
कि where do I go? What do I do? You
Yeah.
know, and then that is why people rush out onto the streets and get
Yeah.
into situations where social distancing is not maintained. So thank you so much for sharing that. That's very important for people to know. Now I'd like to actually, बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं audience से. If we can, let's look at some of these questions. They're quite interesting. Doctor, what are the most common emotional problems during lockdown, and how to, I think we spoke a little bit about this, but
Yeah.
maybe a brief synopsis of common emotional problems क्या हो सकते हैं? What are some ways to tackle this?
देखिए इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स जैसे हम ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं, इट कैन बी द होल रेंज ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, विच कैन बी देयर, राइट फ्रॉम फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंजाइटी, फियर। इमीडिएट फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स होता है फियर, डर कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, एंड इवन डिप्रेशन ऑल्सो। सो आप
Correct.
देख सकते हैं बीइंग एंग्शियस, बीइंग डिप्रेस्ड, फीलिंग ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी, फीलिंग ऑफ इनएडिक्वेसी, एंड मे बी सम काइंड ऑफ गिल्ट में ऑल्सो भी देयर, कि पता नहीं मैंने कहीं इसको मैं अफेक्ट ना कर दूं। से फॉर एग्जाम्पल घर में एक हेल्थ वर्कर है जो हॉस्पिटल जाता है, फैमिली में लोग हैं, उसको हमेशा गिल्ट रहेगा कि मैं किसी को दूसरे को अफेक्ट ना कर दूं, सो So whole lot of these emotions, frustration, anger. देखिए anger बहुत important है जो often ignored है क्योंकि आपका क्योंकि because you are going through a lot of stress की एक और outcome होता है anger, because anger and stress are related sometime, in the sense that when you are stressful you get angry, you are on the edge, you get irritable at times. So आपकी frustration tolerance low हो जाती है जब आप stress में होते हैं. So all these range of emotions can be there, but the important thing again I would say they all can be taken care of. You just have to understand that this is a problem. I will say here a very important thing. Most of us sometimes we don't acknowledge that this is a problem. If
Right.
anyone is going through these mood swings and emotional related problems, first we have to acknowledge that okay, this is the problem I am going through.
Right.
And once you acknowledge it, then obviously the help can be provided. And as I said, help is available around us. You just have to raise your hand, and people will be there to
Correct.
always lift you up. So that is what we need to do. So there are a whole range of emotional problems can be there, but they all can be corrected. The solution is there, the remedy is there. They all, because emotion is something which is so obvious, which is the immediate response. It's a reaction to anything around us which affect, that's the emotion actually. So that's but it can be corrected.
Now, there's one very interesting question. Now, we're talking about emotions, but there is, I like this question actually. How can we, it's a very important question, how can we maintain social distancing at home by giving family members space? But if there's a conflict, how can we mitigate it using by still following the rules of social distancing, not getting too angry, because at the end of the day, everyone is stuck at home. Now, we spoke a little bit about anger or conflict. ये हो सकता है घर में, especially everyone is getting frustrated from time to time, going through different moods and emotions during the day. What is the best way to have any tactics, any recommendations that can conflict and still follow the best practices for COVID-19 during the lockdown?
Yeah, it's a very important point. I will tell you one of the report which came up, during this lockdown phase, the domestic violence has increased. And it has increased 2 times, and there was some discussion because something what we call as express emotion when we are at home. Usually what happens, either a man goes out for work or even both are, so their face contact is very minimal. But now, because of the lockdown, you are at one place, sitting at one place. So these emotions, disturbance may be there, and it's bound to happen. It's a natural phenomenon because you have more of emotional contact is there, and discussing some issue. Whenever we are discussing, then the level will come. It will go beyond certain point, and where the anger will also come in. So I think I would say some of the tips which can be there. That one is that it can happen. It's a natural phenomenon because you are in one roof discussing about it. I think here I would like to tell one thing which is so important. We need to understand the context of it. If you have seen, because our country, when we compare with the Western country, they are a bit different because 37 or 38% of the people in our country are living in one single house, single room, one room. And when we add, 2 rooms, then it becomes 68%. So just imagine, like in Western countries, you have a separate bedroom for children, everyone. So that's the situation different. In our country, the majority of people, many people, they live in one room. So it's not like you will go to the different people have different. It's not like that in our country. So all will be at one place. So obviously, the concept of social distancing will be a bit different and challenging as compared to Western countries. Number one. Number two, for females, the woman who is working, again to maintain, because she's the one who is working most of the time, preparing food, kitchen, and other activities. So again, the social distancing will be bit because she's taking care of elderly also, other people also. So again, it is more challenging for women as compared to men. I think that also we need to understand the. So what one can do in these circumstances, one is that you maintain a distance as best as possible, number one, And again, it's a physical distance. Socially, still you can be connected, and emotionally you can be connected. If there are certain hot issues are there, I would suggest that okay, in every family there's a one person who is the head of the family, who can take a charge in the situation. If suppose there are certain altercation or something going on, so he can take a charge and use his that power to take care of the situation. So I think there are certain things which can be done and certain rules can be followed so
Yeah.
that the situation does not go out of the control. And that is why the importance of keeping engaged is important. The more you are idle, then these emotional problem will be much more, because
Ji.
then you will fight, then you will quarrel, then so many things will happen. If let's say there are two small children, if they are doing nothing, then they will quarrel. If they are busy with their own thing, then they will not quarrel. It's simple as
Correct.
that. So we need to occupy them. We need to make them busy. Obviously, this will help the situation, and this is just a situation. I think for the time being, will go away.
So I'll take one last question, and then, sir, I want you to give your closing thoughts. But last question also I feel is very important. How can, because I think I've also I'd like to know the answer to this. My sleep cycle, even though I'm working 6 to 8 hours every day, it has gone completely for a toss because at the end of the day, you are at home. You can take that nap in the afternoon if you're feeling tired, which we otherwise cannot do. So, how can we work on creating a better sleep cycle, a consistent sleep cycle during the lockdown?
That's a very important point, because, as I said, the sleep is one thing which is affected, to many people. And there are a number of reasons for that. We need to know that, because one of the important thing is that normally we are used to do a physical activity, we get tired, and the sleep naturally will happen, because since we are not getting tired, so not only sleep, people have put on weight also. People have, we can discuss that sometime later. So that is also a different issue. So the thing is that since we are not doing that activity, so that is affecting the sleep. So my advice would be that one is that follow the simple sleep hygiene principle. Sleep hygiene,
Okay.
what we call. One is that have a routine which is a fixed time. Let's say, for example, when you are going to bed at 11 o'clock, make a point of that. Getting up also at a fixed time, 6 o'clock, whatever your time is. Don't try
Yeah.
to do it, instead of 11. Sometimes what I have heard, people, they are sleeping at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Then whole cycle gets disturbed. So have a proper routine of sleeping time and waking time. Number one. Number
Okay.
two, don't watch TV or any exciting news before 2 to 3 hours before sleep. I think that's very important, because
Okay.
nowadays these news which are coming, which can affect you negatively. So so that can also avoid that. uh, uh, and also the third thing is, don't watch your mobile phone also before going to sleep.
Gee.
Ensure that it's not there before going to sleep. Avoid
I'm guilty
coffee.
of all three of those things. That's why
Okay.
my sleep cycle has gone for a toss.
Yeah, but I will just also appreciate you that you're recognizing it. You are acknowledging it, that that's a problem, because the problem comes when we don't acknowledge also. That
Gee.
sometimes people say, no, everything is fine. My sleep is okay. So avoid that. And also, one of the common mistake what we do when we go to bed, we try to think the day's activity. you know
Right.
we should not do that. Our bedroom and bed should be only focused on sleeping. And whenever we have to think, you use your chair and table to think about the day's activity or tomorrow's day
Gee.
activity, not while going to a sleep. I think you should
Gee.
avoid thinking. And so these are some of the important sleep hygiene tips which anyone can follow. And rather, one should avoid taking medicine, though there are medicines available for sleep. But since this is a different situational thing, because our we are thinking too much, our activity is not there, our sleep cycle is disturbed. So I think this is the reason. So I think if you just follow this sleep hygiene principle, your sleep should be fine.
Thank you, sir. I think a lot of us are guilty of that, including me. So
Many
that
of
was a
us,
very
many.
insightful answer for me as well. Now we just have a few minutes left. So I do want to let you have last thoughts. I think a really important thing that you covered is the power of positive thinking. Now, this is one of the easiest things, but also one of the most difficult things because, as you said, it's all in the mind. But I was talking to one of my uncles when the first half of the lockdown was there, and he's 80 plus at this point, and he's a war vet. So he's fought in 3 wars, and he's an army vet. And he was saying, Priyanka, in every situation of so and he's actually a model because it's one, he's an elderly person, so he has to be extra careful, but the regime that he sets for himself every day is very inspiring. And more importantly than the regime, ye positive thinking jo hai, he's an inspiration for someone like me who is much more energetic and much younger than him. So I think that, sir, if you could give some last words on just the importance of positive thinking, that even if, especially, it's something conscious that we have to decide to do. It doesn't just come automatically. You have to train your mind to start thinking positively. And this is the most important first step, because then wo adat, it happens automatically then after some time. So, sir, if you would.
No, नहीं, बात बिल्कुल सही है, because that's why whenever I start with the any remedy, I start with a positive thinking. That's the one thing which is in our hand. अब हमें किसी और help की जरूरत नहीं है उसमें. Or this is simple thing, and which is often ignored because we never pay attention to our own mind at times. So ये बात बिल्कुल सही है. और ये बात जैसे आपने बताई है अपने 80-year-old grandfather की, I think ये बड़ा important बात है, because I think this would be one of the silver lining on this lockdown period. I think what you are saying कि ऐसी इस वक्त में शायद बहुत सारे young people हैं, they would not be able to spend enough time with their grandparents, because ये शायद वक्त है जहाँ पे वो spend कर रहे होंगे, उनकी बातें सुनने को मिल रही होंगी, इंस्पिरेशन मिलने को हो रहा होगा, जो कि शायद ऐसा वक्त कभी नहीं आएगा उनकी जिंदगी में. आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग व्हाट यू हैव सेड. आई थिंक many people would be doing that. They are spending time with their elders, which they have not been doing it till now because of many other preoccupation what we have. So देखिए, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, इट इज जस्ट द वे व्हाट यू थिंक, एंड कैसे, और एक मुश्किल चीज में भी आप कैसे पॉजिटिविटी लाते हैं, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. जैसे अक्सर हम लोग कहते हैं ग्लास आधा भरा है, आधा खाली है. वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू इंटरप्रेट डिफरेंट वेज एट हाउ पॉजिटिव यू आर, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच इज इन योर ओन हैंड. और इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि जो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है कि चाहे हम एज ए डॉक्टर किसी को हेल्प कर भी नहीं पाए, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी इलनेस वेयर वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. सो वन थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू इज गिविंग होप टू अ पर्सन. एक होप एक ऐसी चीज है जो आप किसी को भी दे सकते हैं, और वो उसका हक है. बिकॉज इफ आई एम इल, देन इट्स माई राइट टू बी होपफुल. बिकॉज एक उम्मीद, एक जो बिल्कुल सही है, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. सो वी हैव टू हैव दैट उम्मीद. उम्मीद क्या है? इट्स अ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट द थिंग. सो द आउटलुक हैज टू बी पॉजिटिव. उसमें हर चीज में सिल्वर लाइनिंग होती है, आप उसको देखिए, और ये चीज आपके अपने ऊपर है, आप कैसे उसका आउटलुक बदल कर उसको पॉजिटिव वे में आप लेके आते हैं. दैट्स जैसे सिंपल चीज है. जैसे देखा कि हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि यू हैव टू लाइट कैंडल एंड लाइट योर बालकनी. कहने को कुछ भी आप उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये है कि उससे एक पॉजिटिविटी है कि यू आर सीइंग पीपल अराउंड यू हु आर आल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग. दे आर आल्सो,
वी आर इन दिस टुगेदर.
Candle is lighting is something which is positive thing, which gives a positive frame. It's a light means something good, something so that's how the so positivity एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपके हाथ में है और आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता, और किसी को देने की भी जरूरत नहीं, आपको खुद करनी है. और you can change the outlook of your whole life with your positive thinking.
Gee, thank you so much, Dr. Sagar, for being a part of this discussion. Lot of insightful, because everyone listens to mental health, बहुत important है. It's important to maintain mental health, but we've really gone in this dialogue, and you've really shared with us how we can, जो tactics होते हैं, जो simple strategies हो सकते हैं, that you don't need a doctor most of the time. These are just self-help strategies, very easy to do, should you do them, to kind of boost your mental health, which is the most important thing. As you said, it's all in the mind. So I want to thank you so much today for being a part of the India Co-Win Action Network Dialogue, and really enjoyed talking to you.
I enjoyed too. It was lovely talking to you and many with you. I think it was wonderful occasion to share my thoughts. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now, audience members, if you do have any following questions, if we did not get to your questions, because बहुत सारे questions actually were coming during the dialogue, I could not get to all of them. Please do ask them below, and I'm sure Dr. Sagar would love to take a look later on and address any questions that may come our way. With that being said, thank you so much for being a part of the dialogue. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
वॉल्यूम है सर फुल नहीं जा रही क्या